Hi everyone, Marco here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, you will listen to a simple and very clear real-time English story. My goal is to help you understand English in an easy way, without stress, without fast speech, and without difficult grammar. In this lesson, you will follow me inside a supermarket, step by step, and you will see the story in your mind while you listen. If you stay until the end, you will finish this episode with a strong feeling of confidence because you will understand almost everything in a natural and visual way. So, relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy this calm and easy English experience with me. Before we begin, here are some key words for today's walk. Aisle, a long path between shelves in a store. Basket, a small container you carry for shopping. Checkout, the place where you pay for your items. Produce, fresh fruits and vegetables. Dairy, food made from milk. Shelf, a flat board where items are placed. Label, the information printed on a product. Frozen section, the part of the store with very cold food. I am walking toward the supermarket on a quiet afternoon. The weather feels mild, and the sky looks soft and pale. I hold a small shopping list in my hand. I want to buy just a few things today: vegetables, fruit, bread, milk, and maybe something small for dinner. I walk slowly across the parking area and step onto the sidewalk in front of the store. I am opening the automatic glass door now. The door slides to the side, and I feel a calm wave of cool air on my face. The lights inside are bright, but not too strong. The space feels open, clean, and organized. I pick up a plastic basket near the entrance. It feels light in my hand, and I like starting with an empty basket. I take my first steps inside and look around. The store is not busy today. A few people walk quietly between the aisles. A worker is arranging apples on a table near the front. Another worker is pushing a small cart with boxes. The atmosphere feels calm and slow, and I feel relaxed. I start with the produce section on my left. This is my favorite part of the supermarket. I walk closer to a table full of green vegetables. There are lettuce heads, dark spinach leaves, and long cucumbers. The colors look fresh, bright, and clean. I touch a lettuce leaf gently. It feels cool and slightly crisp. I pick one lettuce head and place it inside my basket. Next, I move a little to the right. I see tomatoes, oranges, bananas, and apples. I take my time to look at each group of fruit. The apples look shiny, and the bananas look yellow and soft. I pick up a group of bananas and check them quickly. They look good, so they go into my basket. I also choose 4 apples, one by one, placing them carefully so they do not roll around. I keep walking slowly. My steps are soft on the clean floor. I move to a long table with oranges and lemons. I take a moment to smell a lemon. The scent feels fresh and sharp. It reminds me of clean kitchens and warm afternoons. I pick 2 lemons and put them in my basket. I look at my list again. Next, I need bread. I walk toward the bakery section. On my way, I pass a tall shelf full of canned food, sauces, and small packages. But I continue walking toward the warm smell of bread. The bakery section feels cozy. There are different types of bread lined up on wooden shelves. I see long baguettes, small soft rolls, and brown bread with seeds. I choose a soft loaf of white bread. When I touch the package, it feels warm and fresh. I place it inside my basket and walk back to the main aisle. I take a slow breath. The supermarket feels peaceful, and I like taking my time. Now I walk toward the dairy section. The shelves here are long and cold. I see yogurt cups, butter, milk, and cheese. I move slowly and check the labels. I pick a bottle of milk. It feels cold in my hand. I also choose a small pack of sliced cheese because I want to make simple sandwiches later this week. My basket starts to feel a little heavier now, but it is still comfortable to carry. I walk to the next aisle. I am looking for pasta and maybe a simple sauce for dinner. The shelves here are tall and full. I see different types of pasta: long spaghetti, short penne, and round shapes. I choose a simple pack of spaghetti. It feels light, and I like easy meals. I move my eyes to the shelf above. I see jars of tomato sauce. Some jars have basil, others have garlic. I pick one jar of plain tomato sauce. I read the label quickly and decide it is perfect. I place it carefully inside my basket. Now I continue walking. I turn left into another aisle. This one has snacks and dry food. I do not need much here, but I look around slowly. I see bags of chips, small crackers, and different types of nuts. I decide to take a small bag of almonds for the week. I like having something simple to eat during short breaks. My list has one more thing: something for dinner tonight. I'm thinking about something warm and easy. Maybe soup, maybe rice. I walk slowly toward the frozen section. When I arrive, I feel a cool wave of cold air. The glass doors show different frozen meals: pizza, vegetables, soups, and small dishes. I open one door and look closely. I see a simple vegetable soup. The picture looks nice and colorful. I think it could be good for tonight. I take the package. It feels cold and hard, but that is normal. I put it inside my basket and close the door gently. I look again at my list. Everything is complete. I feel good. The supermarket felt calm today, and I enjoyed choosing everything slowly. Now I walk toward the checkout. There are 2 people waiting in line, but the line moves quickly. I stand behind an older man with a small basket. He looks at me and gives me a friendly smile. I smile back and wait calmly. When it is my turn, I step forward and place my items on the counter. The worker scans each product with a small device. She works quietly and efficiently. She places the food in a paper bag. I watch as the bag becomes full with colors: green lettuce, yellow bananas, red apples, and the warm bread. She tells me the total price. I pay with my card and thank her. She wishes me a good afternoon. I take the paper bag in my hand. It feels warm from the bread and cool from the milk at the same time. I walk toward the exit now. The automatic door opens, and I step outside. The air feels different after the cool air inside the store. I take a slow breath. The day is still quiet, and the sky is still soft. I start walking home with my groceries. The bag feels good in my hand. I feel calm, and I like this simple moment. I keep walking along the sidewalk. I feel the gentle air on my face, and I enjoy the short walk back home. My shopping is done, and my day continues in a simple and peaceful way. I went to the supermarket in the afternoon. I walked slowly through the produce section and chose fresh vegetables and fruit. I picked bread, milk, cheese, pasta, sauce, almonds, and a simple soup for dinner. The store was calm, and I enjoyed the quiet atmosphere. After paying at the checkout, I left the store and walked home with my groceries. It was a simple and peaceful experience. I'm walking inside the supermarket now. I am walking inside the supermarket now. I pick fresh fruit for the week. I pick fresh fruit for the week. The lettuce feels cool in my hand. The lettuce feels cool in my hand. I choose warm bread from the shelf. I choose warm bread from the shelf. I take milk from the dairy section. I take milk from the dairy section. I look at pasta and tomato sauce. I look at pasta and tomato sauce. My basket is getting a little heavy. My basket is getting a little heavy. I select a simple frozen soup. I select a simple frozen soup. I pay and thank the worker. I pay and thank the worker. I walk home with my groceries. I walk home with my groceries. Thank you for listening. Today's shopping story was simple, calm, and full of useful English. What do you usually buy first when you go to the supermarket? See you in the next episode.